Hello everyone and welcome to Ola Joe the Crocheting Sailor. Today we are going to talk about yarn from my attic. Yes, I'm excited to show you some of the yarn from my stash. Now sometimes what I'll do is I'll go ahead and buy yarn when it's on sale. How can you pass up a great sale, right? And this big huge bag right here has many wonderful things in it, but I must say that there are some discontinued yarns in there. I also pulled from another bag and I actually put some skeins into this bag right here. So let's get right into it. This first one is Bernat Super Value Stripes. It's a Yarnspirations yarn, and look at these colors. You all know I love blue, so this is why I bought the yarn, is because of the colors right here. This is a medium weight 4, and it is 5 ounces. It's 142 grams. This is acrylic, and this is in Oceana stripes. So I have 2 of these, and I said, I need to work something up with this. All right. So let me put these to the side. Next, I have this Premier Serenity Chunky. And that is a beautiful hat pattern on the front. This color is called Wine. This is a bulky 5, 100% acrylic. And here are the specs: 328 yards, 300 meters, and it's 10.5 ounces, which is 300 grams. I love this color. I love bold, rich colors. We have this Mandala Thick and Quick. This is Garden Maze. I love that pop of lime and the gray with these little flecks of color you can see running throughout. Look at that beautiful deep purple color for you purple lovers. This is very nice, and I always like the color transition chart that they put on the sleeve. This is a super bulky 6, and it is 5.3 ounces, 87 yards, which is 79 meters. This is a 150 gram cake. So I have that one. Also, wanted to say that this is from Lion Brand. These are Lion Brand yarns. This is clearance, and I purchased it for $3.97. This may be, is this a discontinued yarn? This might be discontinued. Oh, no. No, I don't think this one is. That's not the one that's discontinued. This cupcake yarn is the discontinued yarn, which we'll talk about next. This Thick and Quick, they still sell it, and in some places they sell it for $7.12, but the sleeve is different. Doesn't look like this. Lion Brand rebranded that sleeve. They changed it, but this is how the colors work up here with that green, yellow, pink, red, and blue. Reminds me of confetti. This is called Swirl. Love those. So put these here. See if I have some more. This is called Title. Then you have the purple blue, greens. Very nice. This is some Vivid yarn. I love this bulky 6. I might have to work some of these up together. Look at that. That's another title colorway. Also have another one of the squirrel. Okay, I have some good yardage in there to work with. Okay, I had one roll out. This is Premier Serenity Ombre, big ombre. That's a beautiful pattern you see on the front. And it's 273 yards. It's 250 meters, 8.82 ounces, and 250 grams. This is a bulky 5. 100% acrylic. And this is a great combination for fall right here. This is called Walnut. Very fitting. All right. The next one is Buttercream Alpaca Solid. And this is in the color taupe. This is acrylic and alpaca. So it has a nice blend. I'll tell you what the percentage is. This is made in Turkey. It's 80% acrylic and 20% alpaca. So it's 6 ounces, 107 grams, and 130 yards, 119 meters. This is Buttercream. Buttercream Luxe Craft. This is what the sleeve looks like. And I have another one. This is in ice blue. Very, very pretty. I have one more of this ice blue and I got it for $4.47. The last one that I talked about is the cupcake. This cupcake yarn, which is a Lion brand yarn. This is called Peas and Carrots. I love that combination with the white, yellow, orange, and that green. This would make a pretty shawl. Let me know what your favorite is from the attic stash. I got this for $3.97. It's a lightweight 3 and 590 yards. It's 5.3 ounces, 150 grams, 540 meters. This is the discontinued yarn right here. You may be able to find it on eBay or some places like that where people are actually selling it, or Mercari, someplace like that. So this ends my attic edition. So I'm hoping that you really enjoyed it. Let me know in the chat if you would like to see some more, and I could show you more of my stash that's not just in and on the yarn ship. Okay, I have other places where I have yarn, so you can let me know in the chat where your other stash or your stashes are. And thank you so much for tuning in, and remember to live each day as if it were your last. I'll see you guys next time.